To create this Spiral Betty, the first thing you're going to do is go to Google and type in Spiral Betty, and it will be the first website that pulls up, spiralbetty.com. And then you're going to click inside the circle to upload your image. And for this project, I am using an image from Frozen. I'm using Elsa, but you can use any image that you desire. You're going to click that check, and it's going to create this spiral. And on the side, on the right hand side, you can see that you can change the colors. I'm going to use black so that it is better shown in the picture. And at the bottom, you will notice that you can adjust the number of rings. I would not suggest making the rings too small or making too many rings because it would be difficult to weed and cut. And also at the bottom, you can change the size of the image with the scale. You can also change the lightness and the contrast as well. You don't want to make it too light or too dark because the image may not be shown as clearly, but you can adjust it based on how your image is shown on your screen. And after you have made your image adjustments, you're just going to go up and click the download button. And once you click that, it will bring up this screen and you will click download and it will download to your computer. Next, you want to pull up Cricut Design Space and start a new project. And then you're going to go to upload and upload your image from your downloads files. Once you have selected your image, you want to choose complex when it brings up this screen. And also you want to click in the white background and delete it so that it will be able to cut properly. And after you have done that step, you're going to go to next and select cut image on the left hand side. The right hand side is for print then cut, which is not what we're going to do for this project. So just select cut and then go to next. And after you have done that, you will select your image that you've uploaded and insert it into your project. And it will bring it up to this screen. It will be fairly large, but we're going to resize it to 10 inches. But you can resize it to however large or small you want to make your project. And once we have resized it, we're going to go up to the right hand corner and save this project. And I'm just going to save it as Spiral Betty, but you can save it as whatever you choose to save it as. And then once we have typed that in, we're going to click save. After our project is saved, we're going to go back up into the right hand corner and click make it. And once we have selected make it, it will bring up this screen. And we're using heat transfer vinyl, so we're going to be sure to mirror this image. However, if you're using permanent vinyl, then you do not mirror the image. And after we have done that, we're going to select our iron-on material, which is the same as heat transfer vinyl. And here is our project after it has been cut. And what you want to do is take this part that is kind of like separated or where it starts and begin to remove the vinyl with your weeding tool. And I did leave it on the mat so that it was easier to pull apart and I can have something to grip the vinyl, but you don't have to leave it on the mat. This is just what I chose to do. And as you will see, it is fast forwarding through me weeding out the vinyl. This is a very satisfying project, and once you start weeding it, it weeds very easily. However, if you have issues, then it could be a problem with your vinyl. I know that some vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, is very difficult to weed, but this brand of vinyl that I got from Amazon is fairly simple. So as you begin to weed out the vinyl, you will begin to see your image come to life. And for our image, we don't want this excess black vinyl that you see. So what you're going to do is take that point where it starts. I will zoom in so you can see it more clearly. And we're going to cut that so that you can easily remove the excess black. But you will see as I zoom in which part that I am talking about. Now once we have cut that part off, we can now easily remove the excess black vinyl. And once you have cut that piece of vinyl, you can easily remove the black excess of vinyl, and you will begin to see your image come to life. And after you have completed this project, you can choose to press it on a shirt or a pillowcase or whatever project that you decide to press your image on. And that is it for this tutorial, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment down below on what you would like to see next, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I truly appreciate you guys for supporting my channel, and I can't wait to see you on my next upload. Bye.